Now in this lecture we will learn how we can create a basic HTML file skeleton and what are the required tags for this HTML code file. Now I'm going to open the text editor. After that we will select the project file location from here, open folder. On desktop I have one file. Now I have selected this one, HTML5 tutorial. Now select this folder. Now on left pane right click and create new file. Give some name like my first web page. Now like every file, here also I have to mention one extension for the recognition of file. Like if audio file will be there, then for that .mp3 is extension, for video file .mp4, for text file .txt. Likewise here also I have to mention some extension. The extension for HTML is .htm, or either you can write .html. Both of the extension will support. So here I am going to write .html. Now here I have created one HTML file. At the bottom here you can see the file type is HTML. Now click here. Bash, C, C#, C++, these languages are supported by this editor. By default here HTML is selected. Now we will see the basic tags for the HTML file skeleton. Here in HTML code everything will be inside the tag. First tag will be HTML opening tag and closing tag. Here this HTML element will be inside the less than and greater than angular bracket. This is opening tag, and likewise same HTML closing element will be here, but the difference between the opening tag and closing tag is only before the HTML element here one / is there. Now this is the root element for HTML file. Now HTML tag will contain two childrens. First one is head and the second one is body. So inside the head tag here also head opening tag, head closing tag is there. Inside head tag you have to write the file information, and inside the body tag you will write the content or the text whatever you want to display on the web page. So simply here I am going to write some text right now. This is my first web page. Now see here, right now just before the file name one dot is appearing here because the file is not saved right now. Now I'm going to save this file. Now this dot is not there because now file is saved. Now I'm going to run this file using live preview Thundermark option. Now I will click here. Now you can see it is displaying this is my first web page, and here it is coming because I wrote this text inside the body. If you will write same text inside the head, then it won't display anything. And now see the live preview option. What is the feature of live preview? So whatever you will type here, it will reflect to the browser immediately at the same time. So this is the feature of live preview. Now here the page name is 127.0.0.1 colon some number is there. Now I am going to write this page name. For that I have to write title tag, which will be inside the head tag. So whatever name you want to type, here you can type. So right now I am writing here home. So now page title is home. But this is HTML file. Now I have to mention here what kind of file I am writing, which version I am using for HTML. For that I have to add at the top of the HTML one doc type. That is nothing but doc type HTML, and this language is HTML code is case insensitive. Either you can write in capital case or uppercase or in a small case. Now this line tells to the browser that I am using HTML version 5. Now one more thing, I have to mention here what kind of or what type of character set I am using. For that here I have to use self-closing meta tag, and in that one attribute I have to use char set, and the value will be UTF-8. UTF stands for Universal Text Format 8. It will support every regional language. Here in HTML some tags are self-closing tag, so which has no closing tag. Like here title is one opening tag and here it is closing tag. Inside we will write some content, but here inside meta tag we don't have any content. We are writing here only one attribute char set UTF. So this is self-closing tag. So this is the basic skeleton of HTML. Now after mentioning the char set, you have to mention in which language you are writing this file. So you have to add again one attribute lang, and after that you have to mention the language English. So we will see from the top again. This line of doc type will tell to the browser that I am using HTML version 5. After that here HTML5 lang en will tell to the browser that whatever content I am writing, that is in English language. Then here meta tag char set UTF-8 means it will tell to the browser that I am going to use character set UTF-8. UTF stands for Universal Text Format, and it will support every regional language. And this title tag will tell to the user or browser that this page name is home, so you can easily recognize which page I am using. If you are creating a website is nothing but a collection of web pages. In that more than one pages will be there. So for the recognition of web page you have to mention every time one title. And this meta tag should be the first 1024 bytes of the HTML code. This is the basic skeleton for the HTML file.